Okay, it's January 26th, and I finally get to tear down the CA95. The delay was going to make sure I could get this registered and titled in my name. That was all taken care of on Friday, so we can get started. Interesting thing already, taking out the tank first. You'll notice missing some mounting hardware. It's like that actually on all four, both sides. So we'll disconnect that fuel hole line between the two sides of the tank, and then this fuel line from the tank to the carburetor. Then the tank should just pop right off.